Hi, today I will teach you how to say months and dates in Korean language. To say months names in Korean is pretty easy. All you need to know is just 12 Sino-Korean numbers and the word 월, which has Chinese origin and means a month or the moon. Unlike Korean word 달, which means the same, the word 월 cannot be used independently. It's always a part of some other words. For example, 월급 means a monthly salary, or 월세, which is a monthly rent, and so on. If you want to talk about the moon or months, for example, I started to learn Korean this month. Use Korean word 달 instead. Okay, try to guess how to say April in Korean. Well, April is 4th month of the year and the number 4 in Sino-Korean number system is 사. Then you add 월 and get April in Korean language, which is 사월. How would you say September? Yeah, in the beginning it takes time to figure out months index numbers. So September is the 9th month of the year and the number 9 is 구. Therefore, September would be 9월. Here's the full list of months names. January is 1월, 2월, 3월, 4월, 5월, 6월, not 6월, it's an exception. July is 7월, 8월, 9월, 10월, not 10월, it's another exception. November is 11월, December is 12월. One more time. 1월, 2월, 3월, 4월, 5월, 6월, 7월, 8월, 9월, 10월, 11월, 12월. Now let's learn how to say dates in Korean. First, what you need to know is that Koreans use different date formats. There are 3 major date formats used by different countries. The first one, month, day, and year, is used in the United States. The second date format is used by most of the countries. And finally, the third one is used in Korea, China, Japan, and maybe a few other countries. They start with the largest time unit and then go to the smaller time unit. Another thing you need to know is how to say these 3 words in Korean, which means year, month, and day. So 12th of April 1961 would be 1961년, not 1년, because when nyun is preceded by ryul, nyun also should be read as ryul. 1년. If you're not familiar with reading rules and feel confused, watch the lesson number 5. So 천 is 1000, 900 is 900, 60 is 60, and 일 is 1 year. 4월, which is April, and 11일, 12 is 12, and 일 is day. Now you try. Try to say this date in Korean. Pause the video, write down your answer, and only after that play the video again to see the solution. So 20th of July would be 1969년 7월 20일. Let's practice a bit more. How would you say this date in Korean? It's 1945년 8월 15일. You don't always have to mention a year. If you want to say like, today is the 15th of August, then just say 오늘은 8월 15일입니다. 오늘 is today. Okay, the last exercise is really useful. I hit a few traps in there. That's why please don't watch the answer, but first give it a try. How would you say in Korean 11th of June 2017? It's 2017년, 7년, not 7년, okay? 6월, not 6월, and 11일. The first il means one, and the second il is day. And since real is placed between two vowel sounds now, it should be read as r, not l. 일일. So this date in Korean would sound as 2017년 6월 11일. I hope this lesson was not that difficult. Your homework is to review everything we have learned so far, especially the alphabet, because in a couple of lessons, we're finally going to start to learn Korean grammar, where I will be giving a lot of examples in Korean and I will not provide transcription anymore. You can also check out the entire course syllabus in the description box below this video. So practice reading in Korean as fast as you can. You can pick a random text from Wikipedia and just read it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. And if you like this lesson, please give it a like and share it with your friends. See you next time.